everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make chocolate Sharjha milkshake. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see what are the required ingredients. Take 2 bananas, 6 cashew, 7 badam, 2 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 scoop vanilla ice cream. Add 250 ml of milk and 3 teaspoon powdered sugar. Let's blend all these ingredients together and serve. For garnishing, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of it. Now our chocolate Sharjha milkshake is ready. Hope you have enjoyed our video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.